everyone, it's me, Hello Ia. Welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to have you here today, and I'm super excited, like always, because today we are going to be playing with the Menagerie Cosmetics Flight Club palette. This is a beautiful purple palette from Menagerie Cosmetics. If you don't know them, they're an indie brand, and I believe it's run by a woman and her husband. Look at these colors though, they're so gorgeous. I cannot wait to play with this. But they're a smaller brand run by a woman and her husband, and they do everything. So sometimes it can take a while for the shop to restock, and when it does, it sells out like instantly. So I've been wanting to play with this palette for a while. It took me a few tries to get my little paws on it, but I'm really excited that I did. And I mean, purple is my favorite color, so I'm ready to play. I'm excited to do a fun, colorful look with this Flight Club palette today. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe. I love to play with new makeup and talk about skincare, and I love to make colorful eye looks. So if that is something that you like to watch or that you like to do, please share the love. And with that, let's jump in. I think I'm going to start with this pink color right here called A Little Baddie. It's like a pinky purple. It's just really pretty. And I am going to start by putting that in my crease. One of the things I love about Menagerie Cosmetics is how pigmented their formula is. Like, you do not have to dip into shades 20,000 times to get payoff. It is instant. Okay, that is gorgeous. Honestly, this color by itself, all over the lid, in the crease like this, a little eyeliner and mascara, and you could walk out the door. So pretty. Now that we have A Little Baddie laid down in the crease, I'm gonna go in with this like magenta shade here called Sky Puppy. I'm going to use that to deepen up my crease a little. So I went in with a little bit more of that Sky Puppy shade to deepen it up, and then I took that first shade, A Little Baddie, and I ran it under my lower lash line and just livened it up a little bit more on my brow bone, just so you can really see that transition there. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful purple shade right here called Flighty, and I'm going to use that shade Flighty to deepen up my crease. Just a little more. Really bring that purple color home. Next, I'm going to take this shade Hanging Out, which is kind of the same color, but it looks like it has some shimmer in it. And I'm going to use my finger and place that on the outer part of my lid. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. I hope you can see how stunning that is. Oh my gosh. Yes, 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 yes. Finally, I'm gonna take that shade Nocturnal, the one I've been dying to use. I'm gonna take that also on my finger and put that on the inner part of my lid. Oh my God, do you see that? I knew it. I knew this shade was going to be beautiful. Like, just stop. It's so pretty. And the way it blends with, what was it, Hanging Around? Hanging Out. The way it blends with Hanging Out is so pretty. Ah, I love it. I love it. Okay, I'm just going to take a little brush, same shade Nocturnal, and I'm just going to really pack that into my inner corner. I'm gonna take a little flat brush and I'm gonna stamp Hanging Out under my lower lash line from like the middle to the edge. And then I'm going to take a slightly bigger but still tiny fluffy brush, go into that first shade, A Little Baddie, and run that under my lower lash line. So that completes the eyeshadow portion of the look. Off camera, I'm gonna apply some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. I threw on some eyeliner and mascara. I put a little Amethyst Hour by ColourPop, the cream gel liner, in my waterline. And now I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Distortion and give myself little emo tears. It's kind of a thing I do, and I love it. I don't know why, but I think that looks so pretty. I love putting glitter where basically my tears would fall. I am gonna try and rein it in and not go as ham with the glitter today, because I know that's not for everyone, and trying to create looks that people might actually want to try and recreate. So one of the things that came out along with the Flight Club palette is this blush in the shade Figgy. I am extremely nervous to try this. Look at how purple this is, okay? But we're gonna go for it. So we're gonna dip very lightly into Figgy. And I think the way I'm gonna play it is put the blush towards the outer part of my face and then blend it forward if I even want it there, because it is so deep of a color purple. Yeah, that's like legit purple. So far so good. I'm gonna add a little bit more and see if I don't mess this up. Okay, I think I might have actually managed that without ruining the look. I think it's really pretty. I love when like the eyeshadows and the blush just kind of blend into each other, so that's what we've got going on here. Ooh, I love that. I was gonna say I don't have a highlighter, but actually I think I'm gonna just take some of this shade Nocturnal. I love purple highlighters. Well, I love purple. If I could just be purple, that is a thing I would do. Okay, so I did also buy the liquid lipstick that came with this collection. I kind of feel like that might be a lot. Should we just do it? Should we just, like, what's going on with my bangs? Should we just go for it though? Let's just go for it. Okay, we did it. We put the liquid lip in the shade Mirabelle on with the purple eyeshadow. Honestly, I mean, this is probably over the top for some people, but it's not as insane looking as I thought it might be, and I actually really like it. So with that Mirabelle shade, this look is complete. What do you all think? Is it too much purple? I love it. To me, there's no such thing as too much purple, but like, do you like the purple blush? What are we thinking here? Is it too much? I knew I was gonna like this because I have a couple of Menagerie Cosmetics other palettes and I really love their formula, especially their shimmers. Their shimmer formulas are just like to die for. And then the liquid lip in Mirabelle, like, I knew I loved it before today because I've used it before today. I got impatient and I was like, oh, I need to use it. So I did. So I already knew that it would look stunning. And I just, with the hair and the eyes, like I can't get over it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love making them. Hopefully you like watching them. Don't forget to subscribe. And this is Hello Ia saying, see ya!